Today I went for a walk because the weather was I went to buy tomatoes. I'm going to prepare okra stew. Okra stew. Yee. So I'm walking back home. Today I decided to come out to take a little fresh air because the weather was very, very good. It was very good. It was like 13 degrees. It was very good. Like you will even think it's like summer or what, but it was okay. Like it wasn't cold. So that was why I decided to come out and take a little fresh air and just to have a view of the place where I came for the vacation. Eh, what was this name? The name of this place? Oberentfelden. Is it Oberentfelden? Yeah, so Oberentfelden. Huh, I can't even remember the street. What if I get lost? But I don't think I'll get lost. So this is a city in a state, okay, a state. Oberentfelden is a state, also in Switzerland. In fact, this place I don't even know the streets and places, but I'll not get lost. If I get lost, I'll use my internet. So we'll see a little bit of tall trees, those pine trees that are there. And I couldn't take much videos this time around because my cousin was always going to work, so I couldn't travel to places to go and see how those places and shoot videos for you. Previously, whenever I come to these to Switzerland, I go out more often and take videos of the place. But those were in 2018 and in 2019. This time around I couldn't take video, so I'm sorry. You see this vegetable, lettuce or cabbage? Yeah, the person had grown that. So this is how the place is. Switzerland is a place that is a very nice place, which is a mountain country. The place is full of hills and mountains. That's how the country is. And what I know about Switzerland is that they are also very good in producing watches and jewelries, especially watches. And so you see the trees. And then when you talk about chocolate, cocoa, and Nestle, the main headquarters of Nestle is from Switzerland. And there are a whole lot of things that is about Switzerland, but that's a few that I've just mentioned. So it's a very nice place and quiet place, and I like it. I like the environment, and it's been nice. So this were a picture of 2018, some places that we went in Switzerland. These were the only pictures I could recollect from my old phone, so I just had to add it to it. So that was in 2018. Yeah, see my face.